Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your REALME C11, for the first you have to activate the Bluetooth, then tap and hold it, and do the same on the second smartphone. Activate, then tap and hold. Right now on the both devices we are in the Bluetooth settings. So here we got my smartphone, Huawei P30 Pro, and just tap on it to accept the pair. And just simply click to pair. And as you can see right now, the devices are connected, and right now we can easily send the files between them. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!